And us, the gospel came to us when we were living together with him. The person that was living with is here. The gospel came. And I found her smelling like a dog. The person said to me, a man without reading a scripture, this person, this man, a woman, not stay together without getting married. It took me out. The war of the spirit. The church. As you see them fighting, they have come across Jesus. Now when they have to take off, the modern church, it doesn't take off. Ask them. Who did they come into contact with? They didn't come into contact with anyone. They found the scriptures. They have not received the third person. The Bible says the third person, when he arrives, the third person, when he arrives, you do not talk to the when you wake up in the morning, looking at the mirror, when Jesus look for number 3. When Jesus comes to this water, he didn't touch it. The question is why? Jesus was a man of authority. When Jesus came to this water, there at the wedding, if he ever prayed for you, and you wouldn't be here. If Jesus, because Jesus was a man of authority, when Jesus came there, he said, you take the water. He doesn't touch you. If he ever touched you, he would be touching the water. The question is Jesus. Why are you not touching the water? He says to his mother, Mom, what business do you have with my staff? Why are you saying this? He says, now, yes, I am the way. I have to remain here. He doesn't want to get off this step before time. Look at this. I'm closing now. When Jesus comes with these two brothers, they were fishing. He says now, follow me. I will make you. In other words, nobody preaches, whoever preaches without being made. Every preacher is been made by the churches, and the churches, they are also being made as a pastor, not touching it. It's a place where he's stuck. No, it's no way you can preach against sin. And you are already in the sin already. Yes, I am a father. I am a father of four with my sons. They are in the girls. I have a question. Who told them These things, the Lord respects you. How am I going to my sons? Also start in the same thing. If I'm going to interview people who are going through a divorce, God wants to see me first. How am I going to intervene in divorce? And I'm also getting divorced. Hello. Hello.